Let's start with a story. Sarah, a talented data scientist, applied to 50 AI positions over 3 months. Her resume looked beautiful, colorful graphics, creative layout, innovative section headers. It was also completely invisible to every ATS that scanned it. Flaw number one, overly creative formatting. The ATS cannot read tables, columns, text boxes, or images. That beautiful two-column layout you spent hours perfecting, it scrambles your information into digital gibberish. Your work experience might end up mixed up with your education, making you look unqualified. Flaw number two, wrong file format. Always use docx or a .pdf unless the job posting specifically requires or requests something else. Newer format or image files get rejected immediately. When in doubt, .docx is your safest bet. Flaw number three, non-standard section headers. Creative headers like my journey, quote unquote, or what I bring to the table, quote unquote, or core competency, quote unquote, confuse the ATS. It's looking for standard sections, work experience, education, skills, and summary. And flaw number four, incompatible fonts and styling. Fancy fonts, unusual characters, and complex formatting break the parsing system. The robot cannot read what it cannot process. Remember, the ATS doesn't care about your pretty design. It cares about clean, parsable text that matches what it's programmed to find.